What up, guys? So, today we got a quick video of some items I picked up from Home Depot. We got the new Fuel Packout vacuum, as well as the M12 vacuum. And I picked up a couple items for a project I'll let you guys see. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I picked up these Milwaukee items from Home Depot. I did get these items with the 150 off, 499 plus. I picked up two more of these 3-inch compact cutoff tools, and I'll just open those in a quick video separately. We're not going to go over specs. If you guys want to see the specs on this, I'll link the previous video where I did the specs and I weighed the tool and everything else. So I think it was $299. You got $30 off. Oh, what's it say? $299 plus you get $30 off. $399 plus you get $80 off, and $499 plus you get $150 off. And these two vacuums are not online. You're able to get it with the $499 plus, you get $150 off. But in store, for some reason, you can't. But the gentleman that walked me back over there, he's like, you know, it doesn't specify. And this one was marked down to 129. It's right there, 129. So during Black Friday time, this was 149. So I got it $20 cheaper. And today is February 2nd. It's Tuesday, February 2nd, 2021. But he's like, you know what? I'm just going to give it to you anyways because you're in here all the time. You always buy a bunch of tools. And, you know, it doesn't specify, you know, because it said select tools, but when you go online, because I explained to him, I found these online. I added these to the cart with these two items, with the two cutoff tools, and it allowed the $499, you know, plus, you know, $150 off. And he's like, yeah, we don't normally price match ourselves, but because you're always here, he told the other manager, just go ahead and drop the $70 off, because the receipt does show the $399 plus you get $80 off. Let me kind of turn this light on real quick. There you go. So instant volume savings minus $80. So this was $129. $139 for the cutoff tools. I got two of those. And then the Packout vac was $199. It was $35 taken off. Amount off, MKDN, manager's discount, $35. $35 to 35, and 35 is 70, plus 80 is 150. So if you do the math on this receipt, it says $494.99 on the receipt on the bottom. So if you add 129.00 plus 139.00 plus 139.00 plus 199.00, it's 606. Then you add the $38.99 in tax, so 606 plus 38.99 in tax is $644.94. Then if you minus 150, it's $494.99, which is $494.99. So I did get $150 off my $499 plus. So it was $644.99 total for what I grabbed here. It is, and then it got pushed down to $494.99 with the $150 off. These tools, I've been wanting to grab. It's kind of a little odd that the M18 Packout one feels heavier than the M12, or the M12 feels heavier than the M18. I know my scale isn't going to be big enough to weigh it, but this one feels a lot heavier than this guy. We will do unboxings for each of these items separately. You know, give you guys the specifications and information of what they come with. These cutoff tools are going to be for conversions. I ordered the conversion kits for the finger sanders from Harbor Freight. I ordered the conversion for the 3/8 by 13 finger sander. So we're going to take this head off. We're going to put it on one of these guys right here. And then I'm going to be picking up the Baxters. And we're going to take the head off of the Baxter. We're going to put it on the secondary one. So that's why I grabbed 2 of the 3-inch cutoff tools. One of these cutoff tools is for this guy, which is the Harbor Freight's I got it for $19.99. It's usually $27. The Central Pneumatic 3/8 wide by 13-inch long belt, and it's 13-inch around, not 13-inch total in one direction. So if you cut the belt in half, or you cut one side of the belt, the belt will be 13 inches long. So this guy is going on this one, and then the Baxter's 1/2-inch wide belt by 18-inch long belt, that one's going on this one. So look forward to that. I will be doing conversion videos on those. But just wanted to do a quick video. I do appreciate you guys' time. Appreciate you guys being subscribers. Everything else, the Packout vacuum is 0970-20. The M12 vacuum is 0960-20. And these cutoff tools are 2522-20. Grab 2 of those. I have one already. It's in the toolbox. I use that one as a cutoff tool. The reason I picked up 2 more tools is because I don't necessarily, when I want to use the cutoff tool as a cutoff tool, I don't necessarily want to have to unbolt and take all the finger sander parts off and then put the unit back together as a cutoff tool, or vice versa. You know, so if I want to use the 3/8 finger sander, I don't have to take the cutoff tool completely apart, put the finger sander on it, and then when I want to use it as a cutoff tool, I have to turn it back into a cutoff tool. Or if I want to use the 1/2-inch finger sander, then I'd have to take everything off, put that one on, whether it's the cutoff tool that assembled the way it is, or the 3/8 finger sander on it. So it's just easier to have the original one I bought of this as the cutoff tool, and these 2 are going to be permanent finger sanders. So that way I can just grab the tool that I need. I don't have to convert it every single time. So appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And top of the description below, I have an Ulsa Tools link. I will provide links for these for Acme Tools or Ohio Power Tools down below as well. But back to the Ulsa Tools link, if you click on that, it'll get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. If there's anything you guys need from me, you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate, leave them down below. I appreciate all of you guys, including all the subscribers. Thank you guys so much for sticking around, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!